this Bentley, and I'm doing Burping 5, and I bet you guys don't know. I always come up here. It's probably because it's really peaceful. I have a hypothesis that if I eat these Smarties, I will burp louder. So, in the last few videos, 4 and 3 of the burping videos, I have used, no, actually it was just 3. Yeah, it was 3 that I used some soda, which I don't know if you guys like that, because I guess you guys just want to hear me do it naturally. And I'm sorry guys, I just like to try out new things, see if it will help me burping. And no, I don't really think this is a hypothesis. I'm just gonna eat my Smarties. So, I know you guys can. I totally forgot what I was gonna say. Ow! Anyway, I'm gonna start burping here. Oh yeah. There was one of you guys that said, please dedicate to me a burp, or please say my name. At first I didn't know what dedicate to me a burp was. I wasn't sure how to say his name. And then the next comment he told me to do, he said, please say my name. And then he understood what I wanted, and I'm like, so I'm going to say his name for him. Pipagiro. Oh god, that hurt. His name was Pipagiro, or Pipagiro. But yeah. So Pipagiro. Oof. I'm gonna say my name. Oh. You know, you guys ever get that taste when you burp and it tastes like Smarties? That's what it tastes like right now. Not technically, depending on what you eat is what it tastes like. Smarties. Not too good for you, but they're definitely delicious. So, yeah, my dad's confirmed it tastes like Smarties. Okay, then I'm gonna do a big burp at the end. So. Oh! Did you guys see that? That was amazing. Less talking, more burpy this time, alright? on you. That's just so sad. So. Oh, dang. Let's add some Christmassy in there. Oh, I think that's on. I was trying to say 'tis the season to be jolly. I can't really do that type of stuff while burping, but I can talk. Like, say I'm awesome. What's up, man? Just so you guys did, just so you know, I said what's up. Oh, I should call that the croaker. I should call this real quick. No, it should be this quick. Nah, no, the one I did should be that quick. Ooh, so realistic. Oh, ooh. Okay. Oh, I still taste the Smarties. I love it. Ow. Some tastes not that last Smartie. Pickles, maybe? Or onions. Oh, definitely onions. Okay. I'm doing pretty good this time. Let me see how many letters I can do in the alphabet. Oh, that's not. Nope, I can't do anymore. Oh, burn. Ooh. Guys, this is my finale. This is gonna be my final burn. Okay, let's retry that. I'm gonna make it a good one. One more try. Oh, that was okay. Well, guys, this was Burping 5. Leave comments at the bottom. And watch my videos and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. This was Lucas Bentley. This was Burping 5. Leave comments at the bottom. Check out my channel. If you like it, subscribe. See ya. Peace out.